afternoon, everyone. Do the one thing you think you cannot do. Fail at it, try again, do the better the second time. The only people who never tumble are those who never mount the high wire. This is your moment, own it. That was what Oprah Winfrey, whose inspiring words have befittingly defined Mass Mutual India's journey and underpins the reason we have gathered here today. Mass Mutual India has proved itself as an epitome of courage, resilience, and innovation. And it gives me immense pleasure to extend my hearty welcome to the honorable guests here on the stage, as well as my dear colleagues from Mass Mutual India, to this inauguration ceremony of Mass Mutual India. We're extremely honored and privileged to have the august company of our guest of honor, Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu, Minister for Municipal Administration and Urban Development, Industries and Commerce and Information Technology, Government of Telangana. Our chief guest, Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu, Principal Secretary of the Industries and Commerce and Information Technology Departments, Government of Telangana. Shri M. Mahendra Reddy Garu, IPS, Director General Police, Hyderabad. Shri Joel Refman Garu, Consul General, US Consulate General, Hyderabad. And Shri Ravi Tangirala Garu, Head of Mass Mutual India. And all my other colleagues and the dignitaries that have come here to join us and given us this precious time. My name is Yedukishore Nandikola, and I head the HR function for Mass Mutual India. Today is a proud moment for all of us here as we celebrate the formal inauguration of our office. And this will be remembered in the entire history of Mass Mutual India, and it is a great momentous event for all of us. I now call upon our honorable guest of honor, Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu, to speak a few words with us. Okay, I'll request Ravi to open the conversation. Thank you.
Thank you, Yadu. First of all, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. I know some of my colleagues are watching this live from Romania as well as US. Honorable guest, K.T. Ramarao Garu, Joel Refman Garu, Mahendra Reddy Garu, Jayesh Ranjan Garu, all the friends, colleagues, dignitaries, press, and all the others. Welcome to Mass Mutual India. I'm out of words because it's such an overwhelming experience and overwhelming situation where the thought became a reality within a very short span of time. Just going a few months back, we were in the board meeting talking about, hey, how do we take this 170-year-old organization, a Fortune 100 organization, outside of Massachusetts and establish the Global Capability Center purely to attract the global talent. And that thought actually, came in because I came from World Bank. The thought process was very easy. We said, okay, now we know the countries, where we want to go to. And we actually, a group of us came here to do the recce. We had a list of cities to see and evaluate which one to pick. One request that we got is, let's start with Hyderabad. We came to Hyderabad and we went back from Hyderabad to US. The decision making was very, very easy. It's not only because of the infrastructure, the buildings, the roads, the ring road, the airport, the connectivity, the talent, the universities, all that. On top of all this, the warmth in people, the welcoming nature in people, the cohesiveness that you get among all the industry leaders. I worked in almost 170 plus countries. I have never seen that in any country or the city. The ecosystem that we have here is truly overwhelming. I still remember the first meeting that I had with Jayesh Ranjan Garu. The day we landed, he essentially took time to come for a breakfast meeting to explain about the beauty of Hyderabad and the ecosystem, why Hyderabad should be considered. And immediately, we met with K.T. Ramarao Garu, and the adoption, that he shows towards any new company that wants to come towards Hyderabad is truly overwhelming. He's a friend for so many people and so many companies and so many countries. Very genuine relationship, genuine partnership, genuine words, which really attracts these global companies to, easily identify where they should land. Then Mahendra Reddy Garu, He's a mentor, a pillar of support for me from several years. And he himself took time to explain my whole leadership team. We spent almost 2 hours in his office. And he explained the security system, the infrastructure, and what kind of support the police system provides to the employees. Truly overwhelming. And we spent a day with all these leaders, and rest of the 2 days we just had fun and went back because the decision is made by the time. And it's truly, the people that can't even spare a minute, because they have such a busy schedule, they gave their plenty of time to make us, take that decision. Long story short, we are here, and we are probably one of the very few entities that started and running during this pandemic. We started, actually, I was in Delhi in January 6th of 2020, signing the paperwork, and we ran our first payroll in the month of March. So within 2 months and 2 weeks, the system that is in India, in Hyderabad, in Telangana, enabled us to go from paperwork to payroll within such a short span of time. It's not easy. We are a heavy regulated organization. We are in the life insurance space. So we have state and federal bodies that we need to make sure we are in compliance with. With all that, without even spending a penny, we are able to establish this organization, except I paid a big for check for my legal firm. Apart from that, the support was truly, truly amazing. And now we are 1,100 strong. That was yesterday. And we are growing very fast. We started with this facility. We thought of having around 500 people to begin with for next 3-4 years. But within 6 months, we increased the demand to 1,000. And as a matter of fact, we exceeded. And we said we'll take 1 floor, but now we are in 2. And we are growing to another 2. So we'll be in 4 floors, in 3 lakh square feet, and with constant growth. And that could not have been possible without the great support that we got from you guys. This reminds me of the Matsyavatara, Every vessel that we take, we are essentially growing. And I want to say, a few things about the ecosystem. So it's not about taking, right? We want to give it back to the society as well. Being a firm with a lot of credibility and ages of experience, we want to give it back to the community. So as a part of advisory committee to the Telangana state, we are bringing that experience and exposure and want to be a brand ambassador of Hyderabad to give that knowledge to the new companies that want to come in. And we are playing that role. We want to create a playbook that essentially makes all this process very simple, where we can say, here is the guide, and go with it. And also, we are a part of the educational ecosystem. We have signed several MOUs, and we are planning to establish educational center of excellences in multiple universities and colleges here, where we provide the training, to the candidates, right from second, third, and final years. And we want to create that workforce, not just for MassMutual, right? And we want to make them industry ready by the time they come out. There is always a gap between the cup and the sip, between the education system and the corporate. So we want to establish that connect. And also, we are very closely working with Telangana State for the BFSI sector. Just a few days back, we kicked off with almost 50 plus entities, where we want to bring all the BFSI sector companies and bring the value to the community. And also, being a part of NASSCOM GCC Council, we are trying to help to bring other GCCs into the state and the city. And we are very closely working with other bodies like HISIA, NASSCOM, AmCham, and all that. We want to play a vital role. And as a part of corporate social responsibility, we are working with Choice Foundation to take care of unprivileged children that are, that need that treatment and care. So there are a lot more, and we want to take and we want to give at the same time. And that's what our philosophy is. Live Mutual is our philosophy. And we want to stick to it and pretty much grow and contribute to the ecosystem here. Because the time constraint, I don't want to go, really long. I can't end this meeting thanking the wonderful support that we got from the state government, from the police system, from the administration, from the US-India relationship critical channel, which is a consulate, And also, wonderful support that we got from the builder. Subba Reddy garu is here. He's a fabulous support for us. And my wonderful leadership. I can't say enough things about them. You know, they are like pillars of support for me. Whether I'm in the seat or on the screen, they're always there. And they are musicians. You know, they are not my leadership team. And my wonderful MassMutual family members, you know, here in India and also in other parts. And the great support that I get from my leadership team, Roger Crandall, Gareth Ross, Sears Merritt, Arthur Real, they're always there. They gave me the liberty to run this, organization without any fear. So big thanks. Last but not least, the support that I get from my wonderful better half, Sailaja, my kids, Pratik and Pragna, who are essentially playing the both, you know, wife and husband role back home, which is enabling me to travel probably every other week to India and perform what I'm doing. And for all of you, thank you so much for coming, and truly an honor and truly a delighted moment for, you know, you being here and this interaction. Andarki శిరస్సు ఉంచి నమస్కరిస్తున్నాను మీ అందరి టైంకి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you so much, Ravi, for the wonderful speech. You never cease to inspire us. I'll now request our guest of honor, Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu, to come and speak a few words, please.
Thank you, guys. Andarki namaskaram. Good afternoon. To Honorable Consul General of the United States of America in Hyderabad, Joel Reifman. Joel, you've been a great friend of, most all the American companies and all the initiatives that they've taken to enter India. Thank you very much for being a great friend for Hyderabad and for Telangana. Honorable Director General of Police, Shri Mahendra Reddy Garu. Honorable Principal Secretary of Industry, IT and Commerce, Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu. And to our dear friend and to your leader and to the man who brought MassMutual to Hyderabad, Ravi Tangiral. I think he deserves a big round of applause too on making this happen. As Ravi quickly mentioned, let me also just quickly recap a couple of things. Our conversation started, I think it was sometime in January 2020, right before the pandemic. And within no time, I think the decision was quick. The leadership team did not waste time. I'm talking about the global leadership team of MassMutual. I know they're based in Boston. I would like to extend my gratitude and wholehearted thanks to them, because but for their support and but for their quick decision making, it would not have happened. And thank you, Ravi, for not going to any other city other than Hyderabad. And thank you for also spending some money and partying in Hyderabad. Like you said, you came here for 3 days, but you spent 1 day, and then the remaining 2 days, he said he shopped and partied. So good. I'm glad that Hyderabad also has that social infrastructure for you guys to actually spend some money and loosen your purse strings as well. Once you come to Hyderabad, you'll realize a couple of things. Not just because Ravi is from this part of the world, but also there's no other city that really can compare with Hyderabad in terms of what it has to offer in the value proposition sense. If you look at all the Indian cities and compare Hyderabad to them, we offer the biggest bang for the buck. Because if you look at Bangalore versus Hyderabad, we have better infrastructure and our costs are lower, and we have better traffic also. And for those of you who are from Bangalore, just wanted to rub that in. For those of you who are from Delhi, let me remind you that your pollution is terrible. We are a far better city. For those of you who are from Chennai, your humidity is terrible. We are far better. For those of you who are from Bombay, the less said, the better it is. Your commercial real estate prices are ridiculous. You guys need to take a serious relook at it. Our builders, our constructions here are far superior and far more economical. And most importantly, I think Mercer, an organization that rates cities on a livability index, has consistently rated Hyderabad as a city with the best quality of living among Indian cities for the last 5 years in a row. So we are a very safe city. We're a very safe city because our policing, our law and order is extremely efficient. We have stable government and able leadership which looks at leveraging emerging technologies, which is very progressive when it comes to adoption of institutions and adoption of newer ideas. So when Ravi came in with several ideas, we said not only will we ensure that you get a good grounding experience here, but we'll also ensure that our local industry also laps it up. So therefore, he's now become an important piece, an important cog in the wheel, for the entire BFSI sector. Recently, Jayesh Ranjan has held a meeting with all the large companies. Delighted that Mass Mutual, in fact, is another Fortune 100 company which has joined, several others in Hyderabad, and most of them, of course, are American. Now, just thinking about BFSI sector, banking, financial services, and insurance sectors. These are extremely important sectors in today's world, and in a world where we are plagued with uncertainty, pandemic, and where we have had to go through several uncertainties over the last couple of years. Insurance, in fact, becomes a very, very important sector, and this applies to all of humanity, not just Telangana or India, but all of humanity. One suggestion I do have for Ravi and also Jayesh is that possibly we can start looking at, because IRDA also is headquartered in Hyderabad. The Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of Government of India is also headquartered in Hyderabad, not in Delhi or not in Bombay. One of the things we could potentially look at, since you mentioned further penetration into the market, Ravi, is actuarial sciences. In fact, we are lacking in actuarial sciences in India. One of the areas where we could potentially look at, Jayesh can help you with a connection to the Higher Education Council. Actuarial sciences, if you are keen, if Mass Mutual is keen, we can have you as a knowledge partner. We can look at what is being taught elsewhere in the world, in the United States and other parts of the world as well. And we can create more employment opportunities for our young children, for our young students here. So BFSI is an important sector, but I think the talent pool that Ravi spoke about is even more important. Hyderabad today is inviting and welcoming of people from all over the country and all over the world. In fact, I was just talking at ISB before this event, and I was telling a lot of venture capitalists there that we are a truly cosmopolitan city. In our city, stand-up comedians get a open invite. We don't cancel shows of Munawar Farooqi and Kunal Kamra just because we are not aligned with them politically, all right? So we truly are welcoming. We are truly welcoming, and I'm just saying that to those people who are listening in from Bangalore or those people who are from Bangalore. You claim to be a cosmopolitan city, and then you end up taking comedy very seriously. I don't understand that at all. So therefore, we're a truly cosmopolitan city who's welcoming of all cultures, who's welcoming of criticism. You can come here, criticize government. In fact, we receive a lot of brickbats from our opposition every day, but we are very tolerant. Trust me. So therefore, to all those who are wanting to come to Hyderabad and make this your place, make this your home, we welcome you. And of course, with more and more opportunities and with more and more investments coming in, I think Hyderabad is truly growing and becoming truly a global city. Thank you, Ravi, for all your business. But one request I do have for you. I think as we grow, as Hyderabad and as cities grow, our infrastructure, tends to become a challenge, because, the pace at which we are growing versus the pace at which we can add infrastructure, there is a huge mismatch. So one of the things that Telangana government has been espousing and has been promoting is tier 2 towns like Warangal, like Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Nalgonda, Mehboob Nagar. We have really built plug-and-play infrastructure there, and we have been promoting tier 2 towns in a big way. Our goal is to create 50,000 jobs in tier 2 towns in the next 5 years. And we already have had good response from Tech Mahindra, from Cyient, from Mindtree. And yesterday, in fact, Genpact came forward to set up an office in Warangal. Ravi, since you are from this part of the world, I urge you, I implore you to also consider expanding into tier 2 towns so that our youngsters from those towns also get wonderful opportunities. So I urge Mass Mutual India to start looking at tier 2 options as well. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Good luck.
Thank you so much, sir, for the deeply inspirational and thought-provoking speech. We're given to understand that our guest of honor has some prior commitments. So in the interest of time, we'll request our guest of honor, as well as the chief guests, to cut the ribbon and formally announce the launch of Mass Mutual India office. May we request the ribbon to be brought up here? We have a classic style of ribbon, the Mass Mutual India. May I request the leaders of Mass Mutual India also to join us on the stage, please? Manoj Vallam, Head of HR for ETX, please join us on the stage. All the other leadership from Mass Mutual India. So is there like a procedure top to bottom or bottom up or what? Bottom.
here? All right, cheers. Some of you guys go down here.
Sachin, Rajesh.
By the way, each of you is paying $1,000 fine after this because you're not.